Hi guys, welcome back to Lamefalation. This is Jovita here and today's video is going to be a favorites video. So for those of you who don't know what favorites videos are, it's basically me sharing with you guys my favorites from the past month. So that is my June favorites, which consists of my favorite music, movie, YouTubers, makeup products, beauty products. So if you guys would want to know what my favorites are, then please keep watching. So my first favorite item from the clothes and accessory category is going to be this plaid shirt. So I got this like last month or in May and I've been wearing this so much last month and I really like it. It's so comfy and it goes with everything, so I can like wear a black or white camisole inside, and I've been pairing that up and wearing it so much the whole month. So this is going to be my clothing favorite, and if you want to know where I got this from, then watch my collective haul video. I've left the details in that video, the price and where I got it and everything. So I'll link that in the description bar below, or I'll link it right here so you can go and watch that. The next accessory that I've been really loving the past month are these rings. This one is a small one and this one is a bigger one, so you can like wear it anywhere. You can like wear it as a proper ring on any finger that it fits, or you can use it as a knuckle ring. And I really like these two because I've been wearing them so much and it glams up any outfit. Like even if you're really casual and you wear this, it glams up your outfit, so it looks really cute. If you want to know where I got this from, you can watch that haul. And the last pair are these white sneakers, and I've been loving them so much the past month. I've worn them so much that they've gotten really dirty now, and now since it has started raining, I can't really wear them, but I've been using them so much the past month. So now moving on to the makeup category, I don't really use a lot of makeup on a daily basis, but this Chambord lipstick has been my favorite for the last month and I've been using it so much. I've also used this in the month of May and I really love this one because it's so long lasting and it dries up completely matte, and it doesn't even require a lot of retouching because it stays on that good. And this is in the shade 483, which is like a brownish red undertone shade. It's really nice, so I really love this one. So this is one lipstick which I've been using the past month a lot. And now moving on to the beauty section, I don't have a lot of products, but I have one perfume which is from the Body Shop and it's the Shea Body Mist. So I purchased this towards the end of May and I've been using this so much. So me and my mom have used it all throughout June, and like you can see, it's almost over now, so there's hardly anything left. So it's not very strong and it's not very mild, and I really love this one. It's like one of my favorites. I always end up buying the same mist whenever I go to Body Shop, so I've been using this quite a lot last month. Moving on to the movie category, my favorite movie for the past month would be Miracles from Heaven, and I watched that just like last week or something, and I really liked it because it had such a nice story to it and it's based on a true story. That's what made it really special, and it also leaves you with a message in the end, which is really nice, and it's nice to reflect on something like that. So if you guys want to watch that movie, you should. So now moving on to the music category, I listen to a lot of songs throughout the whole month. Obviously I listen to songs every day, but my favorite song for the past month has to be Don't Let Me Down by Chainsmokers. I really love that song and I've been listening to it on loop throughout the whole month, and I love the version featuring Dea in it because I really love her voice. And the song is kind of a remix, but it's not. It has like a little bit of the original version, but it has upbeat music in it, and I really like that one. So that is going to be one of my favorite songs the past month. And also the second song which I've been loving is the Zing Zing Zingat song. And in the beginning, I remember when I heard this song, I was like, what is this song and why does everyone love it? But you know those songs when you keep listening to it all around you and then finally you fall in love with it? Yes, that is this song, and I really love such songs which make you just want to get up and dance, and this song is one of those songs. I've been listening to it on the TV, on the radio, on Facebook. It's literally everywhere and everyone loves this song. So now moving on to my favorite app for the last month, it would be Smule. So Smule is like an app which has different categories. So it has like a magic piano app, it has like a singing, karaoke, a guitar and an auto rap, all these different categories. So I loved the Smule singing app, which is like a karaoke app, and I've been using this app for the longest time now. I remember using this from the past 2 years, but the last month I've been using it a lot because I love to sing, and I'm not a good singer, but I just love to sing. So it has like all the new songs, every possible song that you can think of, and it recently updated, and it also has Hindi songs now. So for those of you who enjoy singing Hindi songs, you all can also use that. So this is what the app looks like. So like I said, there are a lot of Hindi songs that have come now, and like you can see, there's Love Yourself, and a lot of new songs that have just released have also been put, like Cheap Thrills. This is one of my favorite songs. Like I've been loving the song, and other than that, the song I mentioned, Don't Let Me Down featuring Dea, is also here. So you just have to like click the sing button, and then you, obviously if you're not like a VIP member, you can't make your own or you can't sing solo, but you can like join other people who have already recorded like half the section of the song, and you can just choose someone and join them. So then it just loads on and it will load the whole song.
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle.
So this is the part that's already recorded by the other person, and the part that comes in blue is your part. Grinding. Reaching out. Now I'm not going to sing for you guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the app. So yeah, this app is really cool, and you have so much fun while singing. You literally feel like you're in a studio singing and recording your own voice. So you can even record your songs and like save it and also keep it in your gallery. And if you guys would like, you should go and check it out. And no, I'm not sponsored by the company or anything. I'm just telling you guys because it's really fun to sing along. So now moving on to the final category, which is my favorite YouTubers for the past month. I watch tons of YouTubers like every single day. I constantly watch YouTube videos, but my favorite YouTuber for the past month would be Brittany Lee Saunders. She's an Australian YouTuber and I've been following her for quite a long time now. Recently she's been doing a lot of vlogs, and especially she started vlogging with her boyfriend, and they really vlog so well, and I love their vlogs. And they started like a new technique where they double vlog, and I really love that. So they keep putting out vlogs every single week. So if you haven't checked out her channel, I'll be leaving her link in the description box below, so you should definitely go check it out. And other than that, I've also been loving It's Judy's Life, and Judy has been one of my favorite YouTubers from the beginning, and Judy's been like one of my inspirations to start my own YouTube channel. She has a channel for daily vlogs, so she and her family vlog every day. She has 3 beautiful daughters, and I love watching their vlogs. And currently they were at VidCon and they had gone to Disneyland, so it was really nice to watch their vlogs. So those were all my favorites for the past month, and I hope you guys liked this video and also enjoyed it, because this is like the first favorites video I've done. I wanted to try out something different, so I thought I should do this video for you guys. And if you guys enjoyed it, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because I do make new videos every week. And also leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what kind of videos you guys would want to watch next, and also leave any kind of feedback or suggestions. I would love to reply to all of you. And that was it for today's video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.